In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the lock screen clock bigger on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So let's get started. So simply lock your phone, long press in your display. Okay, then you get customize option, press on, and you get increase clock size option. Okay, select if you want to increase or decrease thickness, showing it to more color. But note down, when you select another font you don't get increase or decrease size option. So look here, you must be select this font. When you select this font, then you get increase or decrease size changing option. Overall setup, press on done. That's it.